Now this channel you're seeing on my screen is called Jaden Animations. They've posted 253 videos so far and they've gained 15.1 million subscribers. Now you can see that this channel is fully monetized and they're doing an estimated monthly earnings of $21,000 as of the time I'm recording this video. Now let us scroll down right here. You can see their content. They are gaining up to 8.3 million views on a single video, 5.6 million views on a single video, 11 million views on a single video, 15 million views on a single video, and as much as 30 million views on a single video. Now, if you watch until the end of this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my detailed process on how I make cartoon movies that actually talk, so you can start up a faceless page on YouTube or start up a faceless page on any other social media platform of your choice.
Good night, my brave explorer.
I'm only brave because you're still here.
Nothing lives under your bed.
That's exactly what something under my bed would want you to think.
Sleep.
Okay. Nothing under there. Probably. Okay. Maybe it's a mouse? A really muscular mouse? Nope! Ha! See? Nothing.
Now all you have to do is to watch this video from beginning to the end. Do not skip any part as I hold your hands towards learning how to create this cartoon movies. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Divine Kennedy, and on this channel I share with you how you can start and scale your online business using AI. So if you're new here, you want to go down and subscribe to the channel so you're not going to miss out on any of my content. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say welcome back to the channel. And without any further ado, let's dive into the tutorial. Now the first step towards creating a cartoon movie is coming up with a topic title, and to come up with a topic title we are going to be heading over to ChatGPT. Now once you're on ChatGPT, we're going to tell ChatGPT this prompt: recommend 20 topic ideas for a cartoon movie. So you're not going to click on send prompts, so that ChatGPT is going to recommend top cartoon movies that we can actually use to create a topic. So right here guys, just to make sure that our work is original, we're going to tell ChatGPT I want the topic to be original, something no one has created in the past. Right? Because one thing we want to do is we want to create original works so that it can be protected, right? So you can actually check it out guys. It has given us so many topic ideas that we can actually work on. So all we have to do right now is we need to choose one, and of course we can now get started right here. So for example right now guys, the topic that I'm going to be going for is this one that says the kingdom under every bed. I think it's quite very catchy. So now once you choose your topic, then the next thing that we are going to do is we are going to write the script on that particular topic you've chosen. And to write the script, here's what you're going to do. So to write a script, you're going to come over to a new chat and tell ChatGPT this: write a dialogue script on this topic. Now you put colon and you put in your topic, so you can actually see that I have put in my own topic. Now I said it is a cartoon movie and I want 3D pixel style. So 3D pixel style is the visual style to get the cartoon visuals. So I said I want a comic feel and very interesting for everyone. Comic feel simply means I want this my cartoon to be funny, right? And something that everybody can relate to. So I'm now going to click on this to click on send prompt, and of course it's now going to write our dialogue script for us right here. So let's check it out right here guys. You can see that we have scene 1, right? We also have scene 2, we have scene 3, we have scene 4, we have scene 5, and down to scene 6. And right here guys, you can see that it is writing it in episode, so it's something that you can actually create episodes and build a community or build the audience around this your cartoon movie. So let's get back to the business now. So after ChatGPT has written our script for us, then the next step we want to do right now is to tell ChatGPT to break down your script into different prompts and also give you image prompt for each scene, right? So I'm gonna tell ChatGPT this: I want you to break down the script into different scenes and give me 3D pixel style image prompt for each scene. Right now you can see there's scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, scene 5, and scene 6. So we actually want image prompt for the different scenes right here. So I'm going to say that For the prompt, make sure to include the character features in each of the prompts. Then what we're not going to do right now is we're not going to click on send, so that ChatGPT is actually going to break down this as script into different things so that we can actually proceed on. So right here, guys, you can see that I've given us this image prompt right now. Now this first image prompt is for scene 1, right? And this is scene 1 right here. You can see this is scene 1. Right, so all we are going to do right now is we're going to copy this very first image prompt. We're going to copy this. Now after copying this, then the next thing we're going to do right now is we're going to head over to a new tab. Now once you head over to a new tab, you're going to be searching for Grok AI. Now once you're on Grok AI, the next thing you want to do right now is you want to navigate to Imagine. Now whatever I'm currently doing right here, you can also use other video generator tools. Let's say for example, you can use Google Flow, you can use Higgsfield. I mean, any video generator tool can also do this, right? Now all we have to do right now is to come on here in the prompt box, select this image, and of course select the right aspect ratio to 16:9. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to paste in this image prompt and we're going to click on enter, right? So that it's going to actually create a very good image for us right now. So guys, check this out. You can see this is the image that's created for us so far, right? Oh, I love this image is so nice. Now all we need to choose one. So for example, guys, we're actually going to be going for this. Now once we choose this right here, we now need to create our other images, and we're going to create other images within the same page so that we get consistent characters and consistent results. Also, let us go back to our scene 2. Now this is the scene 2 right here. We copy the image prompt for scene 2. Now once copy the image prompt for scene 2, we now go over to Grok. Right now we are going to come on here where it says describe your edits. We are going to add the scene 2 image prompt right here to ensure consistency. So we are not going to start from a new page to generate. It's going to start continue with this page so that you ensure consistency. So we're going to paste in this prompt, click on enter. So it's now going to create the second image for us. You can see this is the first image. Now it's currently creating the second image. So from the second image, you're going to use it to get to the third image. So you can say the first image, the second. Now let's create the third one. Now the third one is this scene tree. So we're going to copy this scene tree right here. Now to copy this scene tree right here, we're going to come on here. Now paste this right here where it says describe your edit to actually create the scene tree, so that you can see that from the images, the video is coming to life little by little, and it's now looking more nicer and it's making more sense, right? So the first image, the second image, and now this is the third one. Oh wow, I'm loving it already. So now we're going to do for the fourth one, which is the fourth scene. We're going to copy this fourth scene right here. Now we're going to come on here and of course use the third image to create the fourth scene. So one thing that you should know, that you can see there's everything is consistent right here. Everything is consistent right here, everything. So now let's do for the fourth one. Click on enter right here. So it's now going to also do for the fourth image, right? It's going to create for the fourth image. Now while it's creating for the fourth image, you can say head back to ChatGPT and copy this fifth one, right? We'll copy this fifth one. Now let's copy this fifth one right here. From the fourth image, we are also going to use and create our fifth image. So right here, guys, from these images, from the first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth one, you can see that it is telling a story already. Even without us animating it yet, it's already telling a story. So we are going to find out everything overall. So wow, guys, check this out. So let's do for the sixth scene, which is scene 6. So copy scene 6 right here, paste in the image prompt to scene 6 and click on enter. So it's also going to create the image scene for the scene 6 right here. So this is also scene 7. Copy scene 7. So check out scene 6 right here. Oh wow, guys, check this out. So now let's do for scene 7, right? Click for scene 7 right here. It's currently generating for scene 7. So also do for scene 8 right here. Let's copy for the scene 8. So you can see this right now. Copy for scene 8. So this is what we're going to do to create the entire images. So right here, guys, you can see we've created the entire image since from the very first one to the 10th one, and you can see that everything was consistent. All the characters was consistent all throughout. So this is how you get your consistent characters. Now the next step for us to do right now is to turn all these images into videos, clips. Now once you turn them to video clips, we're now going to move on to the next step. But before we move on to the next step, let's turn this into video clips. So now we're going to head back to ChatGPT. Now once you're on ChatGPT, we're going to tell ChatGPT, give us video prompts for each of the image scenes, and also include the dialogue that the characters would say in each of the prompts. Do not add any background music, sound effects, or soft piano sound, just the raw audio. So this is the prompt you're going to type to get in your video prompt. Now once you type in this prompt, all you have to do right now is now click on send. So what's going to happen is that ChatGPT is going to give us video prompts for each of the scene. So right here, guys, you can see that this is the video prompt for scene 1, which is the good night scene. We're going to copy this right here. So let's copy the video prompt. So this is the video prompt right here, and also the dialogue. We are going to copy all this for the scene 1. Now once we copy all this right here, all we have to do right now is to head back to Grok. Now so on Grok, this is the first image prompt. Of course, we're going to click this place, this video icon, click on the video icon. Now once you click on this video icon right here, we're now going to paste in the video prompt. So that's actually going to turn this image to a video for us. So now we're going to click on send to actually turn this first clip to a video. So you can see it's currently generating as of the moment. So we just have to wait till it generates finish to check out the results. So guys, start generated finish right here. Let's check it out, right? So let me play. Let's play.
Good night, my brave explorer.
I'm only brave because you're still here.
Nothing lives under your bed.
That's exactly what something under my bed would want you to think.
Sleep. Good night, my...
So guys, you can see how nice this is. You know, we've created the very first one, and you can see they are speaking, and they speak very, very well. So guys, once you've generated your video, you're going to click on download. So you must download to save in your video clips. So we've downloaded the first one. Now let's actually create for the second image. Now this is the second image. You're going to go back to ChatGPT. Now this is the scene 2 alone. We are going to copy this video prompt. Let us copy. So we've copied this second video prompt right here. Now once we copy, we'll come over to the second image. Now we'll click on this video icon, and of course paste in the video prompt. Now once paste in the video prompt, you now click on enter. So it's actually turned this image to a video for us. It's currently generating. Now we're also going to do the same thing for the third scene and each of the remaining scenes, right? So this one is currently generating right here. We just have to be patient to wait while the generates finish. So guys, check this out. Let me play right now. This is for the second one.
Okay. Nothing under there. Probably.
So guys, you can see how nice the second one is. Now we're actually going to go for the third one, but before we go for the third one, we have to download the second clip, right? So this is the third scene, right? Now we'll go for the third scene. We'll copy the video prompt third scene. Let's copy this video prompt third scene right here. Okay, so copy this. Then now we'll now click on this video icon and paste in our video prompts, of course. Then we'll now click on enter right here to actually create the video for us. So it's currently generating, so we just have to be patient while it generates. And now we're also going to do the same process for the remaining scenes. So right here, guys, you can see I've been able to create all the video scenes, right? You can see I created this, I created this, created this, created this. So I've been creating and creating right here. So now guys, the next thing for us to do is to add everything together on CapCut, so that it's actually going to look like one full video. So currently guys, I'm on CapCut. Right here guys, on CapCut it says import. I'm going to click on import to import all the clips we've generated. So guys, I've imported all the clips, and the next thing we need to do is to add each and every one of them. So I'm just going to add the first one right here, and also I'm going to add the second one. All right, let's see.
Good night, my brave explorer.
I'm only brave because you're still here.
Nothing lives under your bed.
That's exactly what something under my bed would want you to think.
Sleep.
Okay.
Alright, so I'm going to split from here and do some little editing. Let me add some transitions right here so that the video is actually going to look nice. Right, let's add think an overlay, classic, right, add the black fade right here.
Okay. Nothing under there. Probably.
Alright,
Probably.
so split from here, and this other clip I'll delete it. Then I'm gonna add the third one.
Okay. Maybe it's... Okay.
So I'm gonna add another transition, I think mix, so that it's going to sync in very well from here.
Okay. Maybe it's... a mouse? A really muscular mouse? Nope!
So we're gonna add the other one. So let's check. This is the other one right here.
Nope! Ha!
Alright, so let's check this now.
Ha!
So I'm also going to add another transition, because one thing you need to do is that you need to add transition so that your video is actually going to look or come out really nice. So let's do this other one.
Ha! See? Nothing.
Alright then. So right here guys, you can see, let's check out this entire video that we've just done together in less than how many minutes. So let us play.
Good night, my brave explorer.
I'm only brave because you're still here.
Nothing lives under your bed.
That's exactly what something under my bed would want you to think.
Sleep.
Okay. Nothing under there. Probably. Okay. Maybe it's... a mouse? A really muscular mouse? Nope! Ha! See? Nothing.
Guys, this is amazing. Now we've come to the end of this video, and I hope you actually like the whole video creation process. Now if you have any questions, leave it down in the comment section, as I look forward to replying all your amazing questions. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao. And of course, drop a comment, let me know if you watched the end of the video. Just comment, coached, I watched to the end of the video. Right? Cheers.